Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for vehicle theft PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then click on the Apache and MySQL. Let's go to the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the vehicle theft folder. Then click on the document. Here you can see the project full documentation. Next you can see the addressing files and source code. Next go to the readme text. Here you can see the login details and web application URL link. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. Now we can see the vehicle theft web page. It's our three roles: admin, police and user login. First go to the admin login. Enter the login ID, then password. Now login successfully. Now we can see the admin homepage. Admin will be add the police officer and then manage the categories and division and then area. Then we will manage the complaint reports. First go to the add category. Here you will add the complaint category list. So enter the complaint category name and then create the category. Next you will update and delete the category list. Let's go to the add police. Here you will add the police officer ID. So enter the name, email ID, then give the password and mobile number. Then select the type, then select the department. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now create successfully. Next you can view the all police details on this page and then you will select the category, user category wise. You can see the police details and then you will update and see the more details on this page. Next go to the division. Here you can add the new department on this page and then you will update and delete the department list. Next go to the area. Here also you will add and update and delete the area list. Next go to the complaint. Here you can see the user complaint reports on this page and then you will search the division wise. You can see the complaints. Next go to the status. Here you can see the total number of complaint status reports on this page. Here also you will search the area wise. You can see the reports. Next we will move for the user login. We have to sign up. Go to the user register. Here you can register your user ID. Enter the name, enter email ID, then password. Enter the 8 digit of password. Then enter the 10 digit of mobile number. Then select the type. Then select the division. Then select the area. Next give the address. Now click on the submit. Register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID, login ID and password. Now login successfully. Now you can see the user home page. User will be raise a complaint and register the second-hand vehicles. First go to the create complaint. Here you will post your complaint on this page. So select the division, then select the complaint category, then give your vehicle number and theft details. Now create successfully. After you post the complaint, you can view your complaint status on this page. Here you can see your complaint status on this page and then you will upload the complaint proof. Click on the upload proof and then choose the file and submit. Next go to the rating. Here you will give the rating and feedback on this page. Next go to the second vehicle. If you buy a second-hand vehicle, here before you buy, here you will register the bike report details. After you see the bike reports, so enter the owner name, then give the vehicle type and model and year, then enter the mobile number, then select the sale date. Then give the vehicle number and owner registration details. Then give the buyer name, address and mobile number. Now create successfully. Next you can see your second-hand vehicle details on this page. So search the vehicle number to find the details. Here you can see your second vehicle state report. Status will be no cases. In case there are theft bike, status will be theft. Next, my profile is used to edit your contact details. Next we will move for the police login. Now login successfully. Now we can see the police homepage. It's our two models. Police will be see the complaint and update the reports. Then you will see the second-hand vehicle sale, then update the reports. First go to the complaint. Here you can see the user complaints on this page, and then you will complete the complaint, update the complaint status. Now update successfully. Then you will give the command on this page. Next go to the view second-hand vehicle. Here you can see the all second-hand sale vehicle details on this page, and then you will check to update the status. In case that vehicle will be thief vehicle, click on the thief and update the status. That's the whole vehicle thief PHP web application.
Code shopping.